The liver is a powerhouse of an organ. It performs a variety of essential tasks ranging from producing proteins, cholesterol, and bile to storing vitamins, minerals, and even carbohydrates. It also breaks down toxins like alcohol, medications, and natural byproducts of metabolism. There are many foods and drinks that a person can consume to help protect the liver. Liver health is crucial for overall health. Having an unhealthy liver can lead to liver disease and metabolic disorders. Type 2 diabetes is the most common cause of liver disease. Keeping your liver in good shape is important for maintaining health. Although it may be impossible to manage all risk factors, consuming certain foods and drinks may help promote liver health. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you 12 foods good for your liver health and 5 foods you have to avoid. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Our YouTube analytics show that more than 90% of our viewers are now subscribed members. Your subscription means a lot to us and encourages us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Now, without further ado, let's get into our listing. Number 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and mustard greens are known for their high fiber content and distinctive taste. They are also high in beneficial plant compounds. Animal studies have shown Brussels sprouts and broccoli sprout extract help increase levels of detoxification enzymes and protect the liver from damage. A study in human liver cells found that this effect remained even when Brussels sprouts were cooked. A 2016 study of mice found that mice fed broccoli developed fewer tumors or fatty liver disease than their counterparts in the control group. Human studies are limited, but so far cruciferous vegetables look promising as a beneficial food for liver health. Number 2. Olive oil. Eating too much fat is not good for the liver, but some fats may help it. Replacing less healthy fats with olive oil may help reduce oxidative stress and improve liver function. This is due to the high content of unsaturated fatty acids in the oil. However, the clinical data on olive oil benefits for people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or NAFLD are currently scarce. One small study in 11 people with NAFLD found that consuming 1 teaspoon or 6.5 milliliters of olive oil per day improved liver enzyme and fat levels. It also raised levels of protein associated with positive metabolic effects. The participants also had less fat accumulation and better blood flow in the liver. Fat accumulation in the liver is part of the first stage of liver disease. Therefore, olive oil's positive effects on liver fats as well as other aspects of health make it a valuable part of a healthy diet. Number 3. Coffee. Coffee is one of the best beverages you can drink to promote liver health. Studies have shown that drinking coffee protects the liver from disease even in those who already have problems with this organ. For example, studies have repeatedly shown that drinking coffee helps lower the risk of cirrhosis or permanent liver damage in people with chronic liver disease. Drinking coffee may also help reduce the risk of developing a common type of liver cancer, and it has positive effects on liver disease and inflammation. It's even associated with a lower risk of death in people with chronic liver disease, with the greatest benefits seen in those who drink at least 3 cups per day. These benefits seem to stem from its ability to prevent the buildup of fat and collagen, 2 of the main markers of liver disease. Number 4. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains 2 primary antioxidants, naringin, and naringenin. This may help protect the liver from injury by reducing inflammation and protecting the liver cells. A 2019 study suggests that naringenin may protect against alcohol-induced liver steatosis by reducing oxidative stress. However, several medications that are metabolized in the liver can interact with grapefruit, so people should check with the doctor before adding grapefruit or grapefruit juice to their diet. Number 5. Tea or green tea. One 2016 review suggests that green tea may help reduce the risk of liver cancer in female Asian populations. However, the study notes that more research is necessary. One Japanese study found that drinking 10 cups of green tea per day was associated with improved blood markers of liver health. A small study in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease found drinking green tea high in antioxidants for 12 weeks improved liver enzyme levels and may also help reduce oxidative stress and fat deposits in the liver. Furthermore, another review found that people who drank green tea were less likely to develop liver cancer. The lowest risk was seen in people who drank 4 or more cups per day. It's important to note that drinking green tea may be better for health than taking a green tea extract, as high-dose extracts may damage the liver rather than heal it. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and have been associated with a lower risk of heart disease. A 2016 analysis found that omega-3 fatty acids help lower liver fat and triglycerides in those with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. While consuming omega-3 rich fatty fish appears to be beneficial for your liver, adding more omega-3 fats to your diet is not the only thing to consider. The ratio of omega-3 fats to omega-6 fats is important. Most Americans exceed the intake recommendations of omega-6 fats, which are found in many plant oils. An omega-6 to omega-3 ratio that's too high can promote the development of liver disease. Therefore, it's a good idea to reduce your intake of omega-6 fats too. Number 7. Blueberries and cranberries. Blueberries and cranberries both contain anthocyanins, antioxidants that give berries their distinctive colors. They have also been connected to many health benefits. Several animal studies have demonstrated that whole cranberries and blueberries, as well as their extracts or juices, can help keep the liver healthy. Consuming these fruits for 21 days protected the liver from damage. Additionally, blueberries helped increase immune cell response and antioxidant enzymes. Another experiment found that the types of antioxidants found commonly in blueberries slowed the development of lesions and fibrosis, development of scar tissues in the livers of rats. What's more, blueberry extract has been shown to inhibit the growth of human liver cancer cells in test tube studies. However, more studies are needed to determine if this effect can be replicated in the human body. Making these berries a regular part of your diet is a good way to help make sure your liver is supplied with the antioxidants it needs to stay healthy. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts are high in fats, nutrients, including the antioxidant vitamin E and beneficial plant compounds. This composition is responsible for several health benefits, especially for heart health, but potentially also for the liver. A 2019 study found a diet higher in nuts to be associated with a decreased risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. What's more, a second observational study found that men who ate small amounts of nuts and seeds had a higher risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease than men who ate large amounts of nuts and seeds. While more high-quality studies are needed, preliminary data shows to nuts being an important food group for liver health. Number 9. Grapes. Grapes, especially red and purple grapes, contain a variety of beneficial plant compounds. The most famous one is resveratrol, which has a number of health benefits. Many animal studies have shown that grapes and grape juice can benefit the liver. Studies have found that they can have various benefits, including lowering inflammation, preventing damage, and increasing antioxidant levels. A study in humans with NAFLD showed that supplementing with grapeseed extract for 3 months helped improve liver function. However, since grapeseed extract is a concentrated form, you might not see the same effect from consuming whole grapes. More studies are needed before taking grapeseed extract for the liver can be recommended. Nonetheless, the wide range of evidence from animal and some human studies suggests that grapes are a very liver-friendly food. Number 10. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a source of nitrates and the antioxidants called beta-alanes, which may benefit heart health and reduce oxidative damage and inflammation. It's reasonable to assume that eating beets themselves would have similar health effects. However, most studies use beetroot juice. Several rat studies have shown that beetroot juice helps reduce oxidative damage and inflammation in the liver, as well as increase natural detoxification enzymes. While animal studies look promising, similar studies have not been done in humans. Other beneficial health effects of beetroot juice have been observed in animal studies and replicated in human studies. However, more studies are needed to confirm the benefits of beetroot juice on liver health in humans. Number 11. Oatmeal. Consuming oatmeal is an easy way to add fiber to your diet. Fiber is an important tool for digestion, and the specific fibers in oats may be especially helpful for the liver. Oats and oatmeal are high in compounds called beta-glucans. As one 2017 study reports, beta-glucans are very biologically active in the body. They help modulate the immune system and fight inflammation, and they may be especially helpful in the fight against diabetes and obesity. The review also notes that beta-glucans from oats appear to help reduce the amount of fat stored in the liver in mice, which could also help protect the liver. More clinical studies are necessary to confirm this benefit in humans, however. People who are looking to add oats or oatmeal to their diet should look for whole oats or steel-cut oats rather than instant oatmeal. Instant oatmeal may contain fillers, which will not be as beneficial for the body. Number 12. Garlic. A small 2016 study suggests that supplementing the diet with garlic powder capsules can reduce body weight and body fat in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease with no loss of lean body mass. Weight loss is beneficial for many people, as being overweight or having obesity is a contributing factor to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. More studies in humans are necessary to determine whether or not eating garlic would have the same effect. And finally, foods to avoid. In general, finding balance in one's diet will keep the liver healthy. However, there are also some foods and food groups that the liver finds harder to process. This includes the following. Number 1. Fatty foods. These include fried foods, fast food meals, and takeout meals from many restaurants. Packed snacks and chips may also be surprisingly high in fats. Number 2. Starchy foods. These include low-fiber, highly processed breads, pastas, cakes, and baked goods. Number 3. Sugar. Cutting back on sugar and sugary foods such as cereals, baked goods, and candies may help reduce the stress on the liver. Number 4. Salt. Some simple ways to reduce salt intake include eating out less often, avoiding canned meats or vegetables, and reducing or avoiding salted deli meats and bacon. And finally, number 5, alcohol. Anyone who's looking to give their liver a break may wish to consider reducing their intake of alcohol or eliminating it from the diet completely. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled 12 foods that are good for your liver and 5 foods you have to avoid. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply daily in your life. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when you upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.